Welcome back to the best shaped state of Michigan. My name is Costa. I'm here in Macomb Township, Michigan in Zone 6B. Today is Sunday, April 19th. Yes, Sunday, April 19th. And I have a quick video for you. It's really a PSA for lawn care. So I'm going to turn around and make this as quick as possible. All right, so right here I have a bag of Bug B-gon. This is very common, pretty much find it at all your big box stores. Most people are going to see this and they're going to grab it because of the 5 pictures of these insects here for the bugs. They got ants, fleas, grubs, ticks, spiders, and big letters across it. Lawn insect killer, kills above and below the ground, kills all listed insects. So catch that right there where it says kills all listed insects, 6 months control. Again, I've tried to make this video so many times. So the active ingredient here is bifenthrin. All right, it is just too windy in the front, so I'm on the side where it's a little bit protected from the wind. So I've tried to make this video a couple times. I want to keep this as short as possible. So the important thing to know for Ortho Bug B-gon and anything you're going to put down on your lawn or in your garden, any kind of product, whether it's granular or foliar application, if it's liquid, always read your labels. So you saw the big print on the front, and then here is the back where it talks about insects killed and controlled for 6 months, killed and controlled for 3 months. So you'll notice in here, it's not saying anything about grubs, not saying anything about grubs. Does do chinch bugs, so that's also good. Chinch bugs can be as big of a problem, if not more, than grubs. So, but if you are buying this for grubs because it's listed on the front, when it gets down here, insects killed and controlled, you'll notice next to grubs there are the 4 asterisks, and over here the 4 asterisks are for in vegetable gardens. So it is not killing or preventing or doing anything for grubs in lawns. This is only rated for grubs in vegetable gardens. So directly below this you'll see for lawn grub control, apply Scott's GrubEx season-long grub killer anytime from early April to August. So I didn't know this, but apparently Ortho and Scott's, maybe they're owned by the same company, but they're literally calling out for you to buy another product from a different company. So Ortho is calling out for you to buy Scott's GrubEx. The reason I bought this was for right here, where to go? Fungus gnats, and then it kills all kinds of other ants. All right, so that's it. I really just wanted to make something short and to the point, really covering this because I see this as a big point of confusion. I see it when I'm at the store buying products, and I see it in comments, especially on the product pages for these things. So there are a lot of people that are not happy with their purchase of Bug B-gon that have had their lawns destroyed by grubs. So don't be one of those people. Just read your labels. Go get the GrubEx or get, I know most stores, like whether you have an Ace or a Lowe's or Menards, personally I've used Menards. I use Menards right now. I just put mine down yesterday. So I use the Menards version of their grub killer, and I believe the active ingredient is imidacloprid. There's another one that escapes me at the moment, but usually the active ingredient ends in like the RID, R-I-D. I forgot what it is. I'll try to list it in the description if I remember it. So just make sure that what you're getting actually kills grubs or prevents grubs from doing any damage in your lawn. Another thing, this is a personal thing for me. I usually apply every 4 months. So now I've applied right now, basically April 20th, and in 4 months I'm going to apply again. So I believe that it is August 20th, somewhere around there. Usually I'll do it like the 1st of July, right around the 4th of July, or the 1st of August. So usually these are only coverage for 3 to 4 months. It says season-long coverage, but if you read further, usually there's a fine print and it's going to say 3 to 4 months. So for me, what I've always done is I've done it every 3 or 4 months. And there's even times where I'll put it down again in October. And a lot of times I'll just put down the Bayer 24-hour grub killer in September, October. This is usually when I'm seeing neighbors' lawns just start to get totally destroyed. So even if I don't see any activity, every other house around me is having their lawns destroyed by grubs, I'm just putting it down as a safety precaution because I don't want to get hit with with my lawn getting destroyed by grubs that late in the year, because by then you really can't do anything to your lawn unless you're actually putting down pieces of sod, and I don't want to do that. So that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up for here, and I'll see you in the next one.